Welcome to Becoming a Cook. I'm Charlie Wetzel. A couple of days ago, we filmed a video on holiday meal prep. I talked about the countdown, but I didn't have my own countdown list done. Well, I've done that list now, and I wanted to record this today so that you could see my list in the run-up to Thanksgiving as an example as you prepare for yours. You can see on the right-hand side of the list, there's my menu. So those are all the things that I have to cook. On the left-hand side is my countdown. It started last Thursday when I started defrosting the turkeys. And then on Thursday, now the way I work this out is I figure out what my serving time is, and I've estimated between 1 and 2. I like to do it on a sliding scale. You never know exactly how long a turkey is going to take. There are charts for that, but I find that a brine turkey cooks faster. That 1 hour range gives me some time. I look at how long different things take, and you have to take into account your oven space too, and then I back out the order that I should do things in and how long they take. My day is going to start at 8:45 when I preheat the oven, and then I'm going to put the turkey in at 9 o'clock. The other things I have slotted in both a time to make them and then a time to bake them. And when I take the turkey out, I'm going to let it rest for 30 minutes. That gives me the time to put the last couple things in the oven and to do my gravy. This probably took me an hour to put together, but trust me, it'll save you on Thanksgiving Day. If you do the same kind of thing, you will have a great roadmap to follow for the day, and you'll be able to serve a really wonderful meal. I hope you have a great Thanksgiving.